So, good morning, all of you. So, in the last chapter, we discussed about human resource management and the human resource trends and HRD. Today, we will be discussing or starting with the next chapter, that is what the employment and development is. In that, the first topic what we are going to discuss is human resource planning. This is what the meaning of human resource planning is. The topics what we are going to discuss is the introduction of topic, meaning of human resource management, definition, different aspects of human resource. So coming to the meaning of human resource planning, human resource planning is a practice that identifies current and future objectives. It is a strategy for acquisition, human resource utilization, improvement and preservation of enterprises human resource. Human resource planning involves forecasting the needs of labor and the supply of labor, then the planning programs necessary to ensure that the organization have right mix of employees and skills when and where they are needed. It is concerned with flow of people into, through and out of an organization. Human resource planning is a process by which organizations anticipate future staffing needs and plan programs to ensure that the correct number and the type of employees are available when they are needed. So, when you talk about a meaning or introduction of human resource planning, it involves acquiring the human resource and acquiring those human resource keeping in the mind of current and future human resource requirements. When you talk about the meaning of human resource planning is a practice of identifying. So it is a practice of identifying current and future human resource needs of an organization. So human resource is very essential to the organization. Based on the essentialities requirements of human resource, the planning is done for the current and the future. The major purpose to acquire human resource is to accomplish the objectives of the organization. This is a plan of action formulated to meet future human resource needs of an organization. So it is majorly a plan to which is formulated to achieve the future human resource needs of an organization. So coming to the definition here, according to REALP, HR is a process. HRP is a process in which an organization attempts to estimate demand for labor and evaluate the size, nature, and source of supply which will be required to meet the demand. So here HRP is a process by which an organization attempts to identify tries to identify the demand of labor and evaluate the number and the size and the nature of the human resource to meet the demand. Next is according to Blah and Scott, HRP is a process for ensuring the human resource requirements. Often organizations are identified and plans are made to satisfy those requirements. So here he also defines in the same way where the requirements of human resource are identified, based on that the planning is done, and that is what the human resource requirements are fulfilled. There are majorly two aspects in HRP. The first is estimating the workforce. Estimating the workforce, it includes the forecasting the number of employees of various categories required by the firm. So it talks about estimating the required workforce in various categories, as there are various departments in the organization. There are various functions like marketing, like finance, there is the HR or manufacturing. Based on those requirements, the estimation is done. Then another aspect of human resource planning is the staffing policies and programs. So it includes all the staffing policies, how the staff has to be brought, what are the roles and responsibilities, how to maintain, how to periodically maintain the data, maintain their attendance report, all the good work are done by the employees, the objectives of the organization, development measures and utilization of HR. This is what the different aspects of HRP. Understanding the different aspects of HRP, The next topic is, the continued topic is the need for human resource planning. What is the need for human resource planning? So shortage and surplus can be identified. Shortages related to the human resource can be identified. These shortages can be fulfilled with the help of human resource planning. And the surplus refers to the excess of employees who have been working in different departments, can also be identified, and quick action can be taken whenever it has been required. The entire recruitment and selection process is based on HRP. So the recruitment, selection, training, development, all these processes are being based on HRP. With the help of this HRP, we will be able to finalize how many people are required, what kind of skill sets required, what kind of abilities are required in an employee. Based on that, the people can be hired, and based on the people can also be transferred from one job to the another. That is what recruitment and selection programs are based on the HRP. It also helps to reduce labor cost, and excess staff can be identified, thereby overstaffing can be avoided. So sometimes what happens is, in the organization there is a overstaff. There are employees beyond the limit, beyond the required limit. So based on that, the overstaffing can be avoided. When the overstaffing is avoided, it saves lots of money, and it helps in reducing the cost of the company which is being incurred on the laborers. It also helps to identify the available talents. Accordingly, training programs and development activities can be planned. So with the help of human resource planning, the talents can be identified. If the people are not being considered to be very much talented, based on their talents, skills which the human resource is having, new training programs can be developed so that the organization can function easily. The next is, it helps in the growth and development of business through human resource planning. So overall, the business growth are being developed by the help of human resource planning, because the effective utilization of human resource helps in development of business also. The last point is, it helps the organization to realize the importance of human resource management, which ultimately helps in the stability of the organization. With the help of human resource planning, the importance of human resource management can be realized, and the stability of the staff can be associated with the company for long duration. That is what. So this is what the needs for human resource planning is. Fine then, thanks a lot.